Inside this massive wind turbine nacelle, you can see the complex engineering required to convert wind into electricity. The large blue component at the center is the heavy-duty gearbox, which increases the rotational speed from the blades to power the generator. You can observe thick black hydraulic hoses and cooling systems that prevent the machinery from overheating during operation. In the foreground, a cooling fan is visible, alongside various structural supports and sensors that monitor the system performance. This internal view highlights the scale and precision of modern renewable energy technology working high above the ground.